Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile photography accessory that can enhance your creative possibilities, the NEEWER 58mm lens filter kit. We found this product online, and if you're curious about the latest price and availability, you can check the link in the description below. So, what exactly is the NEEWER 58mm lens filter kit? This kit is a comprehensive set of filters designed to elevate your photography game, whether you're using a smartphone or a DSLR camera. It includes a circular polarizer filter, a neutral density filter, a starburst filter, and 4 graduated color filters. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including the latest iPhone models like the 17, 16, 15, and 14 Pro Max, as well as popular DSLR cameras from Canon, Nikon, and Sony that have 37mm and 58mm lenses. Let's break down some of the most important features of this filter kit. First up is the circular polarizing filter, often referred to as a CPL filter. This filter is especially useful for removing unwanted reflections from surfaces such as water and glass. By using it, you can significantly boost the contrast and saturation in your images, making blue skies appear more vibrant and white clouds stand out beautifully. It's a must-have for any landscape photographer looking to capture those stunning outdoor scenes. Next, we have the neutral density filter, specifically the ND32. This filter reduces the amount of light entering the camera sensor by 5 stops, allowing you to use longer shutter speeds or wider apertures without altering the color of your images. This is particularly beneficial for capturing motion blur in water, or creating that dreamy effect in portraits while maintaining sharpness in the focal area. Then we have the star filter. This is where the fun really begins. The 6-point star filter allows you to transform point light sources into beautiful starbursts. It's perfect for adding a magical touch to streetlights, car headlights, reflections on water, or even candlelight. If you've ever seen a photograph where lights appear to twinkle, there's a good chance a star filter was used to achieve that effect. Lastly, we have the 4 graduated color filters, red, orange, yellow, and blue. These filters are crafted from resin and come with a double-threaded design, which means you can stack them. This feature allows you to apply color to specific parts of your image without affecting the entire scene, making them ideal for enhancing the mood in landscape photography, especially during sunrises and sunsets. So, who is this product suitable for? The NEEWER 58mm lens filter kit is a fantastic choice for both amateur and professional photographers. If you're someone who loves to experiment with photography, whether you're using your smartphone or a DSLR, this kit provides the tools you need to explore various creative techniques. It's also suitable for videographers looking to enhance their footage with beautiful effects. In practical terms, you might use the CPL filter when capturing a scenic lake, removing reflections to reveal the stunning landscape beneath the surface. The ND32 filter could come in handy for that perfect long exposure shot of a waterfall, giving your images a silky smooth effect. The star filter is ideal for nighttime photography, where you want to capture the glittering lights of a cityscape. And the graduated color filters can help you create dramatic skies in your landscape shots, allowing you to capture the essence of golden hour beautifully. In conclusion, the NEEWER 58mm lens filter kit is an excellent addition to your photography toolkit, offering a diverse range of filters to enhance your creative expression. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.